Welcome to this breakout session on the new BricsCAD BIM block. In the next few minutes, I'll cover the importance of effective data sharing in subcontractor workflows. I'll show the differences between the former mechanical component and new mechanical blocks and BIM blocks. I'll go through a full workflow of library component creation to include block creation, adding constraints, applying and flexing parameters, and converting your legacy components. And I'll show how BricsCAD supports interoperability with other industry tools, including best practices for publishing and sharing components. Finally, I'll show you where you can try new BricsCAD component library and begin building your own BIM blocks today. Ineffective data sharing between design teams and subcontractors leads to lagging RFIs, stalled approvals, and production delays. BricsCAD changes this. It gives engineers a tool to deliver accurate geometry and precise information to everyone on the production team, using a wide range of formats, including DWG, certified IFC, RVT, STEP, and more. With our new BIM blocks and mechanical blocks, we've reduced the number of clicks needed to create library components by 35%. Even more importantly, libraries are now unified between mechanical and construction processes. This is critical for subcontractors because it means you can use the same tools and commands across your workflows. And starting in V26.1, these are the default components in BricsCAD. The older mechanical components have been deprecated. But a quick warning, BIM blocks and mechanical blocks are not backwards compatible. If you open a BIM block in a previous version, the geometry will appear, but the embedded data and relationships will not. Let's see how this works. Open the Library panel. Here you can navigate all the component libraries included in BricsCAD. Insert a block into your drawing, and in the Properties panel, you'll see it listed as a BIM block. Now, if I select an existing component created in a previous version, it shows as a mechanical component, with a note about it being deprecated. No problem. Just select any or all mechanical components and type Convert Components to Blocks. With one simple step, every component is converted, and your file is future-proof. You can also reference your own internal libraries. Select the ellipsis, then navigate to the folder containing your trade-specific blocks. Editing a block in place is as easy as double-clicking. This opens the block editor dialog, letting you work on the component directly. No need to hunt for it in the library or the structure browser. Inside the block editor, open the mechanical browser. This is where you define geometric bodies, assign constraints, and build parametric relationships. Here's an example. Start from a 2D detail and model the 3D geometry. Add geometric constraints, and apply parameters to control how the component adapts to different conditions. And notice how you can nest other blocks inside this parent component. Within minutes, you've built a smart, flexible BIM block ready for reuse across projects. But block creation is only one leg of the journey, and our users cannot afford to be locked into a single CAD ecosystem. That's why BricsCAD offers best-in-class interoperability, with data-agnostic round-tripping to tools like AutoCAD, Inventor, and Revit, plus many more. Because BricsCAD is DWG native, you can share files quickly in a format everyone understands. And when DWG isn't enough, BricsCAD offers more. Export to step using communicator, export to RVT when spatial coordination is required, and export to IFC with improved visibility states in V26.1, so only the block representations that you use are included at export. This ensures your components are usable wherever the project demands. And so, let's recap. BIM blocks and mechanical blocks simplify library creation and reduce clicks by 35%. They unify workflows across mechanical and construction processes, and they future-proof your libraries by replacing deprecated components. And they give you flexible options to share your work across platforms and formats. BricsCAD V26.1 empowers you to build better content libraries, streamline your workflows, and stay connected with the tools your project requires. Scan the QR code on screen and try BricsCAD V26.1 today.